The Rockville DV12K52 Subwoofers offer a powerful and immersive in-car audio experience with their dual 12-inch subwoofers delivering up to 2,800 watts at peak. Designed with an optimized vented enclosure, these subwoofers are crafted from 3/4-inch medium-density fiberboard, allowing for precise bass response at 35 hertz. High-quality components, like the 2-inch 4-layer black aluminum voice coils and Japanese oxygen-free copper wire, ensure durability and exceptional sound quality. The subwoofer's construction features a fiber-reinforced ultra-stiff, non-pressed paper cone and a thick foam surround to minimize distortion and maintain clean sound. Installation is made easy with spring-loaded push terminals, and the enclosure's dimensions are designed to fit most vehicle trunk spaces. Overall, the Rockville DV12K52 subwoofers are built to last, combining robust materials with thoughtful design to enhance your car audio system.